In this video, I'm going to show you how to loop in Reaper. So there's a few ways to loop inside Reaper. I'm going to show you two of the most common ones. The first one's going to be if you want to loop a selection or like a section of your audio. So for this example, I'm just going to go to the top here until this cursor, like the text typing cursor, appears. You want to then click and drag like this. And as you can see, section is going to be made. This is like a selection. And then you want to go and click on this button down here to toggle repeat or to enable looping, or simply press the R button on your keyboard and that's going to loop that specific section, okay? That's the first way to do this. But then of course, if you want to loop a specific audio, like a set number of times, you want to go to the very far right edge of your audio until these two arrows appear, and then simply click and drag it as far as you want, and that's going to make as many loops as you want. Just go ahead and keep going and release when you're done. And as you can see, this basically signals like a new loop, and of course you can loop your audio however much you want. So those are the two ways. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.